So here we are with our monthly market update for the North Fulton Metro-Atlanta area. And currently we have 364 homes active, 45 under contract, and 224 pending. That doesn't mean a lot maybe to some of you. However, what I'll tell you is when you do the math on that, that ends up meaning that we have about 1.3 month supply of inventory. So the inventory is growing or stabilizing, I suppose. There are some new home communities that aren't in that data, but they're not necessarily a huge impact because they'll do one at a time, they'll release one at a time. What I'm seeing and what's going on in the market is there's a greater range of homes that are in the upper tier price points that say 1.5, 1.4 north, and those are actually slowing down. There's greater homes in that price point than there are less than that, which is weird. So there's a higher end luxury market that's available in the market that isn't moving as fast. The other side of it is there's very few homes for sale in the entry level 500 to 750 to $1 million price point. However, buyers, and I can say it's from major experience, that buyers just aren't desperate anymore. So I feel like we're seeing is the pushback from people who are saying, I'm willing to pay the higher interest rates. I understand that price points aren't coming down. I need a home, but they're also not willing to pay for renovations, and they're not willing to pay for, you know, some things that used to fly. Like leaky basements are gone. They've been gone for a while, but they're really gone now. So things that really need some affection and love, it's probably not going to get the multiple offers unless it's really priced well. And I just think we're seeing more of a normalization, but buyers are definitely pausing. They're going on vacations. We've had more people leave the country to go overseas this year during the summer, which is slowing some of that activity down too. But if you're this amazing home, or if you're well constructed, good bones, good location, have curb appeal, updates, you know, renovations, any of that kind of stuff, which we don't have very many of those available. So when they do hit, they actually go really quickly, and with still multiple offers. I don't necessarily know that our offers are going to be 50,000 to 100,000 higher. Some of them are, but I think we're still more in the land of a little over list, some clean terms, everybody getting kind of what they want, but not the craziness, because the interest rates are just settling that down a little bit. But it doesn't mean that homes aren't moving. And secondarily, I would say that we have a lot of dogs in this market right now. There's some ugly, ugly homes, and I'm not afraid to say it. It's okay, there's a homeowner and a buyer for everything, so it's okay, but that just seems to be what's out there. So the people who have good homes, that put their homes on the market, they really, really, really shine right now. So note to self, if you've got a nice home, you've done a lot of updates, you're thinking about selling, you could get a pretty penny today because you'll outshine all the rest. If you have any questions and you want to reach out to me, click the button, schedule a call, or you can reach out directly to me.